He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So here we are being told that the county inspector, actually an engineer, who was a round little man, and he had a red face and he was carrying a box of tools with dials and wires, which generally engineers carry with themselves. And when he came, he just smiled at Margie and gave her an apple to eat, and then took that mechanical teacher apart so that he can repair it. Apart means took it to some other place. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Since Margie was doing worse in the geography test and she hated school, she also hated her mechanical teacher, so she was expecting that maybe the county inspector cannot repair his mechanical teacher, but she was wrong. He put it all together. The engineer or the county inspector, he just put it together again and it started working, and that too just within an hour. That means he was qualified enough to repair the mechanical teacher. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly. Now here Margie is actually referring to the mechanical teacher. She is referring the mechanical teacher as large, black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Because she hated mechanical teacher, she hated schools, so she is referring to the mechanical teacher as large, black, ugly, with a big screen on which lessons are shown and the questions are asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where he had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now here Margie is actually saying that actually it was not so bad, but the thing that Margie hated was the Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put the homework and the test paper. It's like the CPU slots where you insert your USB. So here Margie is also referring to the same kind of slot where she had to insert the homework and the test papers so that the mechanical teacher can evaluate it. And Margie learned how to insert homework and test paper into the mechanical teacher when she was 6 years old. And to put it, she had to write it in a punch code. And then the mechanical teacher will calculate the marks immediately. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Maggie's head. Now when that engineer, the county inspector, whom Margie's mother had called to repair the robotic teacher, when he had finished his work, he just patted Margie's head. Patted Margie's head means उसके सर को थपथपाना. So he patted Margie's head. Margie के head को थपथपाया प्यार से. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault." Now the engineer took sight of this little girl Margie, and He said, Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Now he is explaining to Maggie's mother that the geography sector was a little bit fast or quick, and it was not actually up to the level of the little girl named Maggie. So those things happen sometime. Now he is just explaining that since it's a mechanical machine, it happens sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Now here the engineer is telling Maggie's mother that I have reduced the level of the geography sector, and because it was moving very quickly, and that is why Maggie was not able to perform well. She was doing worse. So now the engineer is telling that he has made the level of the computer's geography sector up to the level of the 10-year curve. Actually, the overall pattern of our progress is quite satisfactory. Now the engineer is saying that if you consider the overall progress, it's satisfactory. And he patted Maggie's head again. फिर से उसने मागी के सर पे प्यार से थपथपाया. Maggie was disappointed. You know why? Why she was disappointed? Because the mechanical teacher was ready again, and now again she would have to insert the homework and the test into the slot. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether, but Maggie was hoping that the engineer may not be able to repair the robotic teacher and he will take the robot with him, but it didn't happen. So she was disappointed. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now she is referring to the point back in time when some time back the history sector was not working. It was blanked out. There was nothing out there. Maybe it was deleted. So this county inspector, they might maybe the same or maybe some other county inspector would have come at that time, and they took this robotic teacher with them so that they can repair the history sector. So Maggie was expecting the same to happen this time also, that now the county inspector has come and now he will take this robotic teacher with him. But this didn't happen. So Maggie was totally disappointed. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Now here Maggie is again asking Tommy, what's there to write about school? Why would anyone write about school? There are so many other things to write about. Why would anyone write about school?